Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over AMC and an article that was recently just released about 20 minutes ago in Yahoo Finance. We're going to read through that. We're going to break down the charts. And I'm going to give you my overall thoughts on AMC and let you know if I'm buying any AMC, if I'm holding, what my plans are, things of that nature. So before we get into it, just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. This is analyst with a $6 price target on AMC stock. It says Top Gun Maverick doesn't change the outlook. This is from their senior reporter, Alexandra Canal, or Canal, whatever, however you say it. Okay. That says Top Gun Maverick soared to the top of the box office this past weekend, smashing a 15-year record for Memorial Day weekend. But one AMC bear is still not changing his outlook quite yet. At this point, it doesn't really change our view. Macquarie analyst Chet said, who maintains an underperform rating on the stock with a 12-month price target of $6 per share. It says, we're sticking with our forecast for 2022 and 2023. The analyst added, noting how May's total box office figures lagged pre-pandemic levels by 30%, with the theater chain's Q1 revenue dropping 35% compared to 2019. In a new note, Bain referenced AMC's elevated cash burn along with the confluence of other headwinds such as labor shortages, supply chain issues, record high inflation, unresolved questions surrounding streaming and performance of mid-market movies. Bottom line, we believe signs are pointing to a multi-year recovery from a balance sheet and fundamentals perspective, the note stated. If we start to see the blockbusters deliver, Paramount released Maverick as the widest theatrical launch in history at 4,732 locations. That's higher than the prior opening weekend of 4,725 locations by 2019's Lion King remake, the Box Office Pro data revealed. It says the sequel to the 1986 classic brought an estimated $160.5 million over the long holiday weekend, giving Tom Cruise his first $100 million opener and marking the best Memorial Day opening on record. AMC said in a press release that its domestic box office saw an estimated 122% year-over-year increase versus 2021's Memorial Day weekend. In all, nearly 4 million guests came to an AMC in the United States to see a movie during the holiday weekend, according to the company. Top Gun Maverick followed the ultra-successful Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness and now paves the way for a heavy slate of hot summer titles, including Jurassic World, The Lightyear Minions, The Rise of Gru, and Thor: Love and Thunder. It feels a little bit more like summer. Summer movie going has always been a big part of the culture. Box Office Pro chief analyst Sean Robbins previously told Yahoo Finance, a lot of these movies, pending the word of mouth, have the ability to bring back some of the movie going that we haven't seen since 2019. That potential momentum was not lost on Bain. If we start to see the blockbusters deliver like Top Gun Maverick did, then most importantly, if we see some of the mid-tier movies start to bring back those other audiences, I would probably have to reconsider my estimates. So this guy has a $6 price target, and with all those type of blockbusters coming, then I would have to strongly disagree on a $6 price target. I would also have to shy away from a $300 price target as well, though. Okay, I know some people have reached out to me saying, hey, I heard AMC is going to hit, $300, $400, $500 over the next couple of weeks. And I'm like, well, okay, I guess it is possible because of, what it had done that one time with GME and everything. But the chances of that happening again, okay, in my opinion, are pretty small. I just don't see it. I could be completely wrong, but you never know. So let's take a look at the charts and let's see what you're telling us, and I'll kind of tell you my plans moving forward. All right, guys, looking at AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC. Recently took profits last Friday, actually, on a swing play that I did on AMC. I made about 5.5%. This is one of the stocks that I'm going to target in my swing trading account. I think I had mentioned that to several of you, that I was going to start a new account just for swing trades. And I have my swing trade that I'm in now is TQQQ. And AMC was my other one, so I got up, 5.5% on AMC. I'm targeting anywhere from 5 to 10% per swing, and I'm starting off, with not a whole lot of money in there. I put like $100 in there, and I'm not worried about the dollar amount that I'm making per se. I'm worried about the percentage. Okay, and as I keep making small gains percentage-wise, eventually my funds will grow till eventually the percentage will, hopefully stay the same on my swings, but the dollar amounts will increase. All right. So anyway, the charts on AMC, we did get a sell signal here. Looks like we're going to come down and start selling off here. The $6 price target, I think that if we got a crash in the market, if we got another big pullback, that can possibly happen. But I think that with all the summer box office hits coming, I think that this could potentially see, in my opinion, $20 or beyond for this year. Will it maintain that? I have no idea, but I just know that it could fall back down a little bit lower. But we don't have that much. We're not that far away from the red SMA line to confirm a bullish reversal and a bullish uptrend. Okay, so like I said, we are showing signs of coming down. Obviously here we got a sell signal. We were overvalued, so of course that's whenever we do pull back and we get overvalued, people start taking profits, and we're starting to cool off a little bit on the MACD. It doesn't mean we won't come out tomorrow and pop our head above $14 or $15. It's just looking like we're going to temporarily come down on a little pullback, because we came all the way from 1086 all the way to $16 or so. So that's a pretty big increase for a stock. So a pullback would be pretty typical in this point. So your levels of resistance currently are 1892, 2616, 3125, 3633, 4262, then 5279 is your tip top, although that's actually about to go away because of the time frame. So we're actually going to go down to looking like your tip top is going to be about $41 to $42. So I think that overall for me, if I get into AMC again on a pullback, I'm going to look to get in maybe on the 12s and look to sell at about 18 to 20 bucks is what I'm going to look at doing. And kind of tempted to maybe buy 1-2 shares and just hold it, because you never know. I said it was highly unlikely that it shoots up to that large amount that it got to that one point, but you never know. So that's kind of the reason I started off in that swing play that I got the other day. Was I said, you know what, you just don't quite know. You never know what may happen one day. People come and run the price up. But at the same time, I was kind of being realistic of, okay, I'm up a certain percentage, I'm going to take my profits and I'm going to move on from here. So anyway, guys, just wanted to provide you that quick update on AMC and give you a little technical analysis on it. This is not a stock I cover too often, but I know it's kind of been out in the news past couple of weeks, and a lot of people are talking about it online, so I wanted to give you my feedback on it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.